got a bunch of party poppers.
Yeah.
Got some normal mini-sized party poppers, some medium size,
and a big,
a large one,
and a large
an
one,
X large one,
and a
XX large one, and a
X
super
large.
giant, huge, biggest party popper ever, Willie.
I'm going to do them.
Which one do you think is going to be the biggest boom?
This one.
Are you tall? Is that taller than you? Stand right here. Let's see, stand right here against the wall. Whoa. Yeah, you're just slightly taller than that giant party popper.
Yeah.
It's going to be pretty awesome.
Yeah. Hey, well, why does this thing have clowns on it?
I don't know. It's clown confetti. First, we're gonna start with these little mini party poppers. But we're gonna need some help, okay? Let's go get Mama and she's gonna help because these are dangerous for kids. You can't pop these because they're too dangerous.
Oh yeah. When I grow bigger, I can do these things.
Yep.
And we can get some more party poppers.
Oh yeah.
And then shoot them on you.
Oh yeah. Exactly. That was it?
That was it. Now, the first one.
All right, let's try the little red one.
That was boom.
All right, we got the medium-sized ones. Let's open some window because there's some gunpowder smell coming out and
Hey. Now for the two
some fresh air. Get the ceiling fan going. All right, Willie, which ones are next?
the tag.
Oh, the medium-sized ones right there.
Yeah. They're not like guns. They're like party poppers.
All right, now the large one.
Oh no.
That's gonna be way loud in here.
Next is the large party popper, extra large one. This is huge. All right, let's do this one. I'm gonna aim it at the fence and nobody gets hurt. Come on, Willie. All right, I'm
Do
gonna do
it. I'm talking my ears. So
Ready?
it doesn't hurt me.
That was a good one. We're doing the clown now. Clown party popper. Here we go. You ready? That was good.
Whoa, that had a lot of confetti.
All right, last one.
Oh no, that was
The big one.
The big
This
one.
one is the same size as William.
Okay.
Here we go. Man, that was cool, Willie.
Confetti.
High five.
That was great. What is this thing?
Confetti.
Can you make the confetti? Can you make them? Can you make
Did you like the fireworks, Willie? Which
Yeah.
one was your favorite one?
This one, and this one, and this one.
All of them?
Yeah.
Cool.
And what's inside here?
It's confetti. Look at this giant mess we made.
Oh yeah.
It's everywhere. There's more?
Let me see.
No, don't look inside it. Don't look inside it.
Why not?
It's dangerous.
What's inside
You want to
here?
shake them all? See if there's any more inside?
I don't want to shake them. Can you?
Whoa. What's that metal thing that came out of it? Piece of metal that came out of it.
Confetti.
Whoa.
Confetti.